right, so Cirsium horridulum. So we weren't going to do this plant, but let's talk about it. This is a spiny, resilient, biennial or perennial herb that can grow between 2 to 5 feet tall. It has deeply lobed leaves and distinctive brush-like flowers that are usually purple or yellow. Its common name is yellow or purple thistle. You know, thistles are very highly adaptable and can be found in various environments, from sandy areas to roadsides to pastures, and they're widespread across North America, you know, thriving in disturbed soils. In fact, I'm sure there's a species of thistle where you're located. So the best time for harvesting is in the spring, you know, during the plant's first and second year of growth, when its parts are most tender and edible. So the plant offers several edible parts. The inner stalks are edible, and the leaf midribs. You know, once the spines are removed, so typically you cut the spines off, the midribs are consumable. You know, the unopened flower bud and its heads can be eaten and taste similar to artichokes. These parts can be consumed raw or cooked, though they are particularly delicious when boiled and seasoned with oil, salt, and vinegar, or a butter. You know, beyond its uses for clearing phlegm from the lungs and supporting joint, tendon, and ligament health, thistle has other medicinal benefits. The root can be made into a paste to treat wounds, while a tea brewed from the plant helps with gastrointestinal upsets. You know, additionally, thistle has been historically used to improve liver function and to detoxify the body. You know, its anti-inflammatory properties can aid in the treatment of skin conditions and provide relief from headaches and migraines. So when handling thistles, most people want to wear gloves or heavy gloves to protect the bent against its dense array of spines. The edible parts, as I mentioned, include the stalks, which you can peel, and these spines can be stripped from the leaves and eaten. So thistle is valued by wildlife and has a place in traditional medicine for its versatile applications, you know, including food for butterfly larvae, birds, and a variety of insects, especially when it's in flower. And it's been utilized by Native American tribes for centuries. Just a note that Cirsium genus plants are not the same as Xylobum, the milk thistle genus plants. So there are some slight differences in how they're used, but there is some interchangeability there in the applications that we've discussed, especially for the liver. But Cirsium genus are edible and medicinal to varying degrees.